Congratulations! You've landed on one of the hottest professions and fastest growing career paths. Welcome to coaching. I'm Lisa Pisano, Director of Admissions at Coach Training Alliance, and there's so much I want to share with you, and I know I won't have time in this short video clip. So first thing I want to do is invite you to join me for the Becoming a Coach teleclass. Just look down on this page and click to register here. This is where you can learn the inside scoop on how to grow your coaching practice under ideal conditions in record time. I'll let you in on what it really takes to make it as a professional coach and what you can expect in this exciting new field. You'll even get to sit in on a real live coaching session. If you have a few minutes, I'm happy to tell you more about coaching right now. So what's your big question? For many of our students, beginning a new career in coaching enables them to make a great living helping others succeed. Most students find their background, past experience, people skills, and maturity give them a head start. For me, it's all about enjoying the financial rewards and personal fulfillment of owning my own business while making the world a better place. The first thing you need to become a professional coach and to begin this exciting lifestyle is training. CTA provides the best coach training and the most comprehensive training on the market. What sets us apart is the special way we prepare you for success. You not only learn the coaching skills essential to becoming a great coach, we help you set up your business and show you how to market your professional services in a way that's comfortable and fits your personal style. We're right there with you for the most important part of becoming a coach. So when you graduate from CTA, you already have paying clients and an up and running coaching practice. The CTA Certified Coach Program is fully accredited by the International Coach Federation, and the course is designed to pay for itself before you finish. Because of our trademarked learning system, you earn back your tuition while you're still training. We call it Earn While You Learn, and it translates into affordable coach training that builds and fills your coaching practice from day one. Best of all, your coaching certification is condensed into just 6 months, not the typical 2 to 3 years, so you reach your goal quickly. Frankly, no other coach training program better prepares you for real-world coaching faster or for less money. It's as simple as that. The accredited program at Coach Training Alliance is designed for people that are ready to start their own business, be their own boss, and take ownership of the lifestyle they've always wanted. The thing you want to do right now is enroll in the Becoming a Coach workshop. And here's the important thing to know now. Once you attend this first teleclass by telephone or recording, you will not only have a solid understanding about what coaching is all about, you will already have completed the first requirement for certification as a professional coach. Just go to the bottom of this page and click Register here.